Okay, so in today's class, we are going to cover the topic of polygons. Now, basically, a polygon is a closed figure with three or more straight sides. So, a triangle is a polygon. It's a closed figure, and it has three sides. Then, for if we look at a quadrilateral, quadrilateral is a polygon as well. This quadrilateral is a type. Which type of quadrilateral is it? It's a rectangle, square, trapezium. Okay, that's also a polygon. So if we have three-sided figure, we call it a triangle. If we have a three-sided polygon, we call it a triangle. If we have a four-sided polygon, we call it a quadrilateral. If we have a five-sided figure, then that is known as pentagon. And pentagon कैसे बनता है? It should have five sides. Three. This is a pentagon. It has five sides. फिर इसी तरीके से if we have six sides,
Hexagon.
it is going to be called hexagon. If we have seven sides, it is going to be called heptagon. Eight sides,
Octagon.
octagon. Nine sides, nano nonagon. And 10 sides is known as decagon. Okay? So basically, n number of sides अगर हैं, so that is simply going to be called n gon. Okay. Now, polygons, we can have regular polygons and we can have irregular polygons. Regular polygons are those polygons जिसमें सारी sides same होंगी और सारे angles equal होंगे. All sides are of the same length and all angles are equal. और अगर एक भी side different होगी और एक भी angle different होगा, that is going to be called an irregular polygon. So triangle हमें पता है कि it can. Now, what are the types of triangles? You can either have a equilateral triangle, a scalene triangle, or an isosceles triangle. Only the equilateral triangle is a regular polygon because in that equilateral triangle, all the sides are of the same length and all the angles are 60 degree. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Quadrilateral में square is going to be a regular polygon because all the sides are same and all the angles are 90 degrees. However, rectangle is going to be an irregular polygon because length is different and the width is different. Trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram. So these are irregular polygons. Now pentagon can be, pentagon is a figure of having five sides. If you have all the five sides same, then that is going to be a regular pentagon. If any one of the side is different, then it is going to be classified as an irregular polygon. Is that clear? So for a regular
Yes, sir.
polygon,
Got it.
the length should be same and all the angles must be equal. All the angles, meaning if this would have been a regular pentagon, then this angle, this, all should be same. All should have equal value. So now we are going to move on to angle properties of polygon. So angle properties of polygon. Okay, so let's say I draw a polygon. What type of polygon is this?
Sir, hexagon, 6 sides.
It's a hexagon, right? Because it has 6 sides. Now it has 6 angles.
Yes.
Right now, I haven't specified that it's a regular or an irregular polygon. But despite of the fact that whether it's a regular or an irregular polygon, the sum of all the interior angles, these are known as the interior angles, the sum of all the interior angles is given by a formula that is sum of interior angle in a polygon is equal to n minus 2 times 180. So if this is hexagon, so n value, n is the number of sides. N is the number of sides. So in hexagon, what is going to be the value of n?
6 minus 2.
6. N value is going to be 6. 6 times 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2 is 4. What is 4 times 180? 720.
720.
ओके, राइट. नाउ ये फॉर्मूला ड्राइव इस तरीके से होता है. बेसिकली द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड दिस इज दैट यू वांट टू सी कि कितने ट्रायंगल्स बन सकते हैं इस पॉलीगॉन में. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे इस हेक्सागोन में मैं कितने ट्रायंगल्स बना सकता हूँ वो पहले देख लेते हैं. Would you agree that I can make 4 triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
So basically एक ट्रायंगल का जो सम होता है, सम ऑफ दी ऑल दी एंगल्स इन अ ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. तो अगर 4 ट्रायंगल्स हैं तो 720 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो अगर मैं ये तमाम ये एंगल सम करूंगा 180 डिग्री के इक्वल आ जाएगा. ये वाला एंगल ऐड करोगे 180 डिग्री. सेम गोज फॉर दिस, सेम गोज फॉर दिस. So basically it depends on how many number of triangles can you obtain in that polygon. So the sum of all the angles of an interior polygon is always 2 less than the number of side times by 180. So अगर n हेक्सागन है तो हेक्सागन में 4 n minus 2 ट्रायंगल्स बनेंगे. सही है. तो 6 minus 2 4. अगर पेंटागन होता तो 5 minus 2 3 ट्रायंगल्स बनते पेंटागन में. So are you clear with this, that the sum of the interior angle of a polygon is going to be 720 degrees?
Yes, sir.
Now, if this would have been a regular hexagon अगर है तो आपसे each interior angle पूछा जा सकता है. Each interior angle is going to be equal to 720 upon n. N is the number of
6.
sides. 6. So 720 upon 6 comes out to be
90.
120 degree.
Yes, sir.
So each of this angle is 120 degree. If this would have been a regular polygon, तभी 120 plus 120 plus 120 plus 120 plus 120 plus 120 is going to give you 720. But for this, to apply this concept, you must know that it's a regular hexagon. So the formula is for each interior angle is always equal to n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. N minus 2 times 180 is going to give you the sum of all the interior angles divided by n will give you each angle. But this is only for regular hexagon. अगर irregular hexagon है तो हम सिर्फ उसका sum मालूम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम each angle मालूम नहीं कर सकते इस तरीके से. ठीक है?
जी सर.
ओके.
सर 2 मिनट ये पेज रहने देगा, मैं कॉपी करा.
जी.
सही है सर.
अजान का ब्रेक ले रहा हूँ, फिर कंटिन्यू करता हूँ. Now, if you have a polygon and you are being asked to find the exterior angles, so let me draw this polygon again. अब exterior angle कहाँ पे होगा? Exterior angle, let's say, is going to be this angle, this angle, this. These are the exterior angles of this polygon. Now, if it's just a polygon, the question says just a polygon, the word regular polygon is not mentioned, then that means that each angles are not equal. So you can only calculate the sum of the exterior angles. Keep this thing in mind that the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is always equal to 360 degrees, no matter what polygon is. So sum of exterior angle of a polygon is always equal to 360 degrees. But if this would have been a regular polygon, तो इसका जो each exterior angle होगा, that is going to be equal to 360 divided by the number of sides. अब अगर 6 है, ठीक है, if I'm saying that this is a regular hexagon, so इसका मतलब है the n value is 6. So 360 upon 6 is
60.
60. So each exterior angle is going to be 60. So that when you add them up, you get 360 degrees. Okay?
Yes sir.
And also remember this, that the interior angle and the exterior angle always make up 180 degrees. So if this is A and this is B, remember that in a polygon, interior angle plus exterior angle always equals to 180. क्योंकि straight line angle बन रहा है. This is a straight line. So these two angles are going to be supplementary. The sum of them, these two angles is going to be 180 degree.
तो हमें A पता है तो हम B निकाल सकते हैं और वाइस वर्सा.
Exactly. अगर आपको exterior angle पता है तो आप interior angle निकाल सकते हो और उससे फिर sum भी निकाल सकते हो. मतलब समझ में आ रही है बात? इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हो. Okay, let's see what questions can you get. What type of questions can we come across? If the sum of interior angles of a polygon is 1260 degrees, how many sides does it have? So आपको sum दे दिया, you need to find the number of sides. If you remember that sum of interior angle was equal to, what was the formula?
N minus 2
N
multiplied
minus
by
2
180.
times 180. The sum is 1260. N minus 2 times 180. So the easy way would be that you divide 1260 by 180. So what is 1260 upon 180? Calculator से करके मुझे दो.
7.
7. So n minus 2 comes out to be 7. Therefore, n comes out to be 9.
5.
This
9.
this
Sorry. Okay.
this polygon has 9 sides. Okay.
Yes.
A polygon. The second question says a polygon has n sides. Three of its exterior angles are 70 degree, 80 degree, and 90 degree. The remaining exterior angles are each 15 degrees. Find the value of n. By reading the question, what do you suggest? Is it an regular polygon or an irregular polygon?
Irregular.
बिल्कुल सही. Find the value of n. So we know that the sum of the exterior angle is
360.
360. Okay. So there are three angles. There are three exterior angles which has a sum which are 70, 80, 90. Right?
Yes.
Let's say the polygon has n number of sides. उनमें से तीन एंगल ये हैं. So what are the remaining angles left? If a polygon has n sides, तो उसके n total angles
Sir,
होंगे.
the sum of these three is 240, I guess.
Wait a second. तो मुझे ये बताओ, if I want to form an equation, I know these are the three angles. Out of these n angles, these are the three angles. How many remaining angles are there? Remaining exterior angles कितने होंगे?
n होंगे ना, मतलब हमें पता तो नहीं है कितनी सारी.
N is the total number of angles. Okay. N is the total number of angles. These are the three angles. The remaining number of angles are going to be, अगर मैं कहता हूँ
minus
5
n ना?
एंगल से, हाँ exactly, तो 5 एंगल होते हैं अगर start with, और ये 3 एंगल्स हैं तो remaining 2 एंगल्स होते हैं. तो अगर n एंगल्स थे to begin with and these are the 3 angles, how many remaining angles are there?
n minus these 3.
3. n minus 3, the number of angles. And और वो जो हर एंगल है वो 15 डिग्री है. ठीक है. So this gives you the total number of angles, and the sum of the total exterior angle is always equal to 360 degrees. Now we can solve this equation. So you can add 70, 80, and 90 and subtract it from 360. You are going to get 120. Then you can divide 120 by 15.
8.
You're going to get 8. And n comes out to be 8 plus 3, 11. So this polygon has 11 sides, so 11 angles होंगे. 3 angles उसमें से 70, 80 और 90 थे. फिर जो remaining 8 angles हैं, वो सब 15 थे. बात समझ में आई?
Yes,
If you want to note it down, you can.
अच्छा, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिए, क्लास के बाद नोट करूँगा.
कर लो, I don't mind if you want to. चलो ठीक है, क्लास के बाद कर.
फिर लंबा हो जाएगा ना, टाइम जाएगा.
So for the first part, you have been asked to find this angle.
सर
Angle
सेकंड वाला 90
ABP.
हुआ ABP.
Okay, we are just going to confirm right now. Interior angle of this hexagon can be found by angle ABC is going to be n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So n is 6 minus 2 times 180 upon 6. That
Sorry,
comes out to
ABP
be
108 है. ABP
yeah,
108 होगा.
सही है. ABP निकालना है. ठीक है, तो angle ABP is this angle. Now this belongs to a regular pentagon. So
5 minus 2
for
multiplied by
angle
180 upon
ABP,
5.
ABP is going to be 5 minus 2 times 180 upon 5. So which is 4
3 multiplied by
3
180,
times
540. 540 divided by 5.
divided by 5. Yeah,
108.
108 degrees. You can try the next part. Okay, मैं एक कॉल रिसीव कर जा रहा हूँ. Okay, now in order to find BCP angle, what we are going to do is
Exterior
to
angle
find
होगा ना
this
सर.
angle. G. We need to find this angle. BCP is the
360
exterior.
upon.
अच्छा, अब let us see. Basically, what you can do first is you can find this angle B. And then treat this and this side to be equal. Consider this to be a right isosceles triangle. So find angle B, find angle CBP, that is going to be equal to 360 minus ये angle आया था 120 तुम्हारे पास और ये वाला एंगल क्या आया था 108. So 360 minus 120 minus 108, what does this comes out to?
Sorry sir.
What is this value coming out?
थोड़ा 2 मिनट. One 132 sir.
Right. So you're going to get 132 degrees. So angle CBP is 132. Now it's an isosceles triangle. So you can find this angle by, how can you find this angle? These two,
Divided by.
both angles are going to be same. Yes. So first of all, in order to find angle BCP, you can subtract 132 from 180 and divide it by 2.
24.
24 degrees. समझ में आई बात?
सर मुझे ये पूछना था. जैसे ये ABP हमने निकाला था 108 ना, तो आपने बोला वो सम जो होता है एक्सटीरियर और इंटीरियर वाला जो होता है वो 180 के बराबर होता है, तो हम 180 को 108 से माइनस नहीं कर सकते.
एक्सटीरियर एंगल की बात कर रहे हो?
जो B है, B के पास जो है.
किसके पास? C के पास या B के पास?
BCP एक ट्रायंगल बन रहा है ना.
हाँ.
और ABP हमारा आया 108, तो बी का जो
जी
बाहर वाला होता है जो ट्राइंगल के अंदर है
जी,
वो 180 माइनस 108 नहीं हो सकता?
बिल्कुल सही है, कर सकते हो। सो इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट
अगर आइसोसेलेस था
108
तो
फ्रॉम
फिर
180, नहीं तो
हम्म
इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 108 फ्रॉम 80 यू आर गोइंग टू गेट दिस एंगल, एंड इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 120 फ्रॉम 180 यू आर गोइंग टू गेट दिस एंगल। दोनों एंगल्स को ऐड करोगे यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 132। चेक कर लो।
सही
180
सही
माइनस
सही
108 करो,
कितना आता
72।
है 72
72 प्लस 60,
और
चलो वहाँ पे
60 सही है
180 माइनस
132
132, ठीक है।
सही
शुड आई मूव ऑन?
यस सर
ओके, now this diagram shows a part of a regular polygon. You need to find the value of x. This is a part of a regular polygon, which means that this side, this side are equal. This side is also equal. I mean, the 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 sides that I'm shading are all part of a regular polygon. The question says find the angle x. हाँ जी, समझ आया कैसे करना है ये?
नहीं सर अभी तक नहीं है
Okay, try to understand the figure. अगर ये रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन है तो इसका मतलब है कि दिस एंगल should be equal to all of this angle. It's a regular polygon, then each interior angle must be same, right? So if you
यस
call this angle to be y, then x plus y should be equal to 144.
144
Okay, now these two sides are parallel. So if you just see, you can get an alternate angle over here, z बन रहा है, ठीक है? So if this angle is
यस
144, what is going to be this angle?
144
144. So what is angle y?
180 minus 144
180 minus 144 is
36 और 36 180 minus 36 is 124
36.
शायद नहीं
And
नहीं
for
कितना
angle x, x plus y should be
180
equal to
minus
144. So 144 minus 36 is going to come out as 108 degree.
8 हाँ सही
Okay, so we were asked to find x. X has a value of 108 degrees. Get it?
यस सर
So in this question, the question says AB, BC, and CD are the adjacent side of a regular polygon. It's a regular polygon, and it's given that angle CAB is 20 degree. Calculate number one, the number of sides of the polygon, and the second part to this question is find angle ACD. So now, what do you suggest? How to find the number of sides of this polygon?
सर 6 होंगी ना?
How?
मतलब 3 साइड्स हैं और तो 3 साइड आएंगी.
नहीं, ऐसे प्रेडिक्ट नहीं करोगे. ठीक है. So it's a regular polygon. So that means that every length is going to be same, which means that the length of AB must be equal to the length of BC.
BC और BC
Then
equals to
what can you
CD.
say about the triangle ABC?
Isosceles है?
Isosceles triangle. Good. So if it's an isosceles triangle, if this angle is 20 degree, then this angle is also going to be 20 degree,
20.
right?
Oh,
So what
140
is
B.
going to be this angle?
The whole will be 140.
So interior angle
140.
is going to be 180 minus 2 times 20, that is 140 degree. Now I need to come up with the value of n for which each angle of this polygon is 140. So if it's a regular polygon, what was the formula for interior angle? It was n minus 2 times 180 upon n, and the answer is equals to 140 degrees. So from here you can get an equation in terms of n. 140n is equals to 180n minus 360. 40n is equals to 360. N comes out to be 9. Okay, so this polygon has n sides. Then only the angle, interior angle is going to be 140.
सही है.
सही है. Now can you try the second part, ACD? Angle ACD निकालना है.
तो
What is
140
this
minus
angle going to
20.
be? 140 minus 20. Good. So ACD is simply going to be 140 minus 20, that is 120 degrees. Good.
Two upon 8.
So each interior angle of this regular octagon is going to be found by using this equation. That is going to give you each interior
135 शायद.
Yeah. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 times 180 over 8. कितना आ रहा है? 135.
जी.
So each angle is 135. This angle is 135. This angle is also 135, and so on. This angle is 135. ठीक है. Now, what is your thought process? How do you plan on finding the value of x?
सर अब देखे x के नीचे वाला जो एंगल है ना, वहां से अगर हम ये देखें तो z बन रहा है. x के नीचे वाला. यस सर, ये और ये x का एक्सटीरियर वाला सेम होगा. ऑल्टरनेट वाला. इसका ऑल्टरनेट एंगल.
ओके.
ये वाला. हाँ, ये सेम होगा.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
अब ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल है ऑक्टागन का.
180 minus 135 is 45.
360 minus 8 होगा.
ये 45 हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
हाँ, और वो 45 ये हो गया. हम वो ट्रायंगल क्या निकालेंगे?
हाँ, good. So this triangle, this angle is also 135, and you need to understand that you have
या isosceles है
a regular polygon. Yeah, isosceles triangle होगा.
तो 180
So
minus
this
135
angle,
is 45
yes,
22.5
exactly. This angle is going to be 22.5. This angle is going to be 22.5.
22.5 plus 45
Plus 45 plus x is
minus
all these three
180
angles are going to be equal to 9. Hold on. All these three angles are going to be equal to. If you add all the three angles, what is the sum
हाँ
equal to?
सॉरी हाँ 135 होगा
135.
सॉरी
So 135 take away 45, take away 22.5. You should be getting 67.5 degrees.
यस सर एग्जैक्टली वो यार है
Okay, great.